The USI 2.0 Stylus Pen is a game-changer for digital interaction. Designed for the Amazon Fire Max 11, Google Pixel tablet, and many Chromebooks, it offers broad compatibility. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it captures every nuance of your strokes, making it feel just like a real pen. The ergonomic, lightweight design ensures comfort during long writing sessions. At a competitive price under $40, it's an affordable option that doesn't compromise on performance. This stylus is perfect for artists, students, and professionals alike. Imagine having an undo button in real life. That's the eraser feature of the USI 2.0 Stylus Pen. With a simple flip, you can correct your work without switching tools. The high-pressure sensitivity ensures that the stylus reacts precisely to your hand's intention, whether you're sketching, writing, or signing documents. This combination of features makes it a versatile tool that adapts to your needs, providing a seamless experience that enhances your digital creativity and productivity. Comfort is key when it comes to prolonged use, and the USI 2.0 Stylus Pen delivers. It feels just right in your hand, reminiscent of the first pen you ever loved in school. The balanced weight prevents hand fatigue, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Its sleek finish adds a touch of elegance, making it not only functional but also stylish. Whether you're in a classroom or a coffee shop, this stylus is designed to be your reliable companion for all your digital tasks. From classrooms to coffee shops, the USI 2.0 Stylus Pen adapts to various environments and tasks. Use it for note-taking in class or meetings, creating digital art with precision, or making presentations and markups for professional projects. It's also perfect for spontaneous scribbles, sketches, and ideas that strike anywhere. This stylus is not just a tool. It's an extension of your creativity and productivity, making it an indispensable part of your digital toolkit. To get the most out of your USI 2.0 Stylus Pen, consider these tips. Adjust the pressure settings to match your style for optimal performance. Regularly wipe the tip to ensure smooth operation. Use stylus-optimized apps like Google Keep, Evernote, or Sketchbook to enhance your experience. Store the stylus safely to protect the nib from damage. By following these tips, you can maximize the stylus's potential and enjoy a seamless digital experience. At just $35.99, the USI 2.0 Stylus Pen offers premium functionality at a budget-friendly price. It's a clear win for most users, boasting powerful features, excellent compatibility, and long-lasting performance. In a market flooded with stylus pens that overpromise and underdeliver, the USI 2.0 stands out for all the right reasons. Whether you're writing, sketching, or designing, this stylus adds joy, efficiency, and clarity to your digital workflow. The USI 2.0 Stylus Pen is more than just a stylus. It's the tool your tablet has been waiting for. With its impressive features and affordable price, it's a reliable partner for your digital adventures. Whether you love writing or drawing digitally, this stylus enhances your experience, making every interaction smooth and enjoyable. In a world demanding flexibility and responsiveness, the USI 2.0 Stylus Pen checks all the right boxes, making it an essential addition to your digital arsenal.